Alright guys, so I'm gonna call my landlord. This is the second attempt. Let me just show you what's brewing outside. Luckily, a rainstorm never came yesterday. But I'm showing you now that outside there is another storm brewing in the distance out in the west. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but it's a little dark out there. Anyways, here goes the phone call. Let's see what he has to say. I'm sure there's going to be an excuse. Check this out, guys. I'm sure it's going to be excuses.
Hi, please leave a message for Leroy Lopez. Thank you.
Hi Leroy, this is Joseph Valdez, just calling a second time to get an update about the repairs for the ceiling in the restroom regarding that hole that's there, that leak. Appreciate a call back, 505-929. Alright, so check it out. That was that. Now I'm gonna call his cell phone. Let's see if there's an answer on the cell phone. Yeah, I'm being avoided. It's obvious what's going on, and now it's 3 days. Because I told him on Saturday when it occurred. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
4. Nothing has been recorded. Record your message after the tone. Simply hang up when done. Or for delivery options, press the pound sign.
Hey Leroy, just calling you on your cell phone. Just called it your home phone. Trying to reach you regarding the repairs that were going to take place yesterday on Monday. I'm just calling to get an update on the repair for that leak in the restroom. Thanks. Bye.